Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. I'm Monica and I'm back with another unboxing. I have more boxes next to me. Anyway, for this video I will have another June versus July. This time is gonna be yes or yes subscription box. I have the June box here and I have the July one right here. Let's see first what's in this June box. And this is a subscription that I personally I'm planning to cancel, but before that, let's see what's in this one. And I have the card right here for June, and it's Glam treasures, and this one has a value of $97.96, the content of the box. And also they have a coupon code here which you can use to get 10 to 20% off if you decide to buy from their website. So let's go ahead and see what's in this one. The first one that I see here, it's an eyeshadow palette which is called Mello Treasure Chest palette, and the value of this is $27.99. And let me show you the eyeshadow palette. I'm trying to take this out from the box. Okay. I have to break the packaging. So here is the eyeshadow primer, which I said has a value of $27.99. It's a very cute one. I like the color of the palette. And let's see how this, and by the way, this one is from Mello, and comes with a mirror, and here are the shades of this palette. Seems to be a pretty one. Let me try to take the plastic off so you can see the colors better. I'm not gonna swatch this one in this video. If you wanna see swatches from those from this palette, let me know and I'll do a different video with this eyeshadow palette. So far it's a palette that looks really nice. Then we have in here a Douche product. This is Punk Volumizer Mascara and looks like a full size. And let's see this one. Here is the packaging of this one. And let me show you the wand. This one has a big wand. So a full-size mascara. The value of this one is $26.99 for this mascara. Then we have two more products. In this box we have 4 in total. The next one is Stella Eyebrow Highlighter Pencil, which is this one. And this one has a value of $19.99. And the last product in a June box, it's a brush, and this one is a crown brush which looks like this. Let me open this for you. Very soft brush. This one looks like this. And this one is Crown Brush Pro Blush Brush, and the value of this brush is $22.99. So a great brush in the box. So far, as I said, we have 4 products in a value of $97.96. I will leave the link down below if you wanna check their website. I don't know exactly how much is the box right now, around $14–15, but I'm not sure, so I'll leave the information down below in the description box. We have a brush from Crown. We have a full-size mascara. We have this one is an eyebrow highlighter pencil, and we have an eyeshadow palette from Mello, which seems to be very nice. As I said, if you want to see swatches from that one, let me know in the comments down below, and I'll do a video with this palette. This is all for June box. Let's see the July one. And let me find the card first. Here is the card for July. And this one is Summer in the Desert, July 2018. Beauty is power, a smile is its word. The value of this is $107. Has the same code if you wanna buy from them. Here is the code. And let's see, I see in this month for July 5 products, and let's see what are those. First is the Sorbet Natural lipstick, which is seems to be a full size, and this one is $22. Let me open this one and show you the color of this. So here is the lipstick. It's a pretty color. So far I like the shade of the color of this one. And here is the color of the lipstick. So far it's a nice one, one that I like. Then we have in here an IBY Desert Vibe 12 color palette, which is $25, and the palette looks like this. It's another eyeshadow palette. So far it seems like we got one in each month. As I said, if you want to see swatches from those, let me know and I'll do a different video with those two palettes. So far, as far I can see, mine, the mirror came broken, and I hope I don't have gloss in the eyeshadows. Here is the mirror which came broken. I'm not gonna let them know about because it's not worth it. Here is the palette, and by far this is gonna be my favorite shade from this one, and the blue one also looks pretty nice. We have matte colors and shimmer colors in this one. Looks pretty nice. We'll see how they work. As I said, if you want to see them, let me know. This is the second product in the July box. We have Piercey mineral lip liner, and I think it's this one right here. Here is the color of this one. It's a full size, and it's very creamy, which I like. Here is the shade of this one. Then this one is $23. Then we have GV exfoliating face wash. This one has a value of $18 and looks like this. Never heard of before. And the last one is Cone Insanely Intense Tattoo Eyeliner, which is $19, and here is the shade of this purple one. Let's try to open this one and swatch to see exactly how the color looks. Actually, it's a gel one. Here is the tip. It's kind of like a wine color. I don't know how well you can see this one. Is this one right here. Looks a little bit different than on the packaging, is more darker, but nice to try. I usually wear a black one, but who knows, maybe I'll like this one. So far this is all in the July box. As I said, I'm thinking to cancel this one. We'll see if that will happen or not. So far we have 5 products in the July bag. We have the eyeshadow palette, this one. We have the face wash. We have a full-size lipstick, a lip crayon, and an eyeliner. Let me know what do you think about those two boxes, June versus July. What you like from those two boxes. If you have this subscription, or if you like to get this subscription, I will leave all the information down below. If you think, let me know if you think it's worth it or not. It's around 15 or something like that. So that's kind of all for this video. I will see you with another unboxing, because as far you can see, I have other boxes waiting to be unboxed. So I'll see you soon. Thank you so much for watching. You have a great day and or a great night, depend what's there. All the best from me to you. I'll see you soon. Bye bye.